Why is a Python float which was converted from a string not the same as a normal float of the same value? I'm in Python 3.6.5 and I ran across a strange phenomenon. Float 50.0 is not the same as float 50.0, though they are equal to each other. I ran some code to find the difference. Other than Python saying that they aren't the same, I can't find a difference. I'm baffled. I'd love it if someone could explain what is happening here. Here are my tests. And my results. Based on some discussion in the comments, I tried the following, getting results that don't answer the question. Results in. Update. I've marked an answer that is correct, and based on a comment on that answer I want to show other people who might be confused what I was missing. When Python creates an object, it is assigned an id. Is returns true when comparing two objects returns the same id. Sometimes Python will cache and reuse an object. So in the case of X is why we can see that an object is given and reused because the id is the same. We also see that the id changes between Python sessions. Results in. And on the next run it results in. If for any reason the same object couldn't be reused to represent X and Y, then X is Y would return false.
I think you might be confused with something that confused me as well in the beginning. Is this different than equals equals? Is will return true if two variables point to the same object. Equals equals will return true if the variables point to objects that are equal. The answer that helped me understand this is under this question: is there a difference between equals equals and is in Python?
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.